At the beginning of December, the start of Advent, I started to create my creative Advent journal and I finished it today. So I thought I would just do a little video just showing you the poems and the little illustrations that I've done. And if you'd like to make one yourself, the link is below. I hope you enjoy it. A creative Advent. Star of Advent shines, calling through the quiet skies. Faith stirs in still hearts. Stars drift through the night. Andante con moto lux. The sky sings its tune. Frost glints on still leaves. Quiet thanks in winter's hush. Earth rests, softly held. Star of Advent shines, quiet beacon in the night. Peace whispers through time. Snow falls soft and light, each flake a quiet blessing. Earth cradles its grace. Star of Advent shines, guiding hearts through winter's dark. Hope blooms, soft and bright. Frost whispers at dawn. Frost glints on still leaves, quiet thanks in winter's hush. Earth rests, softly held. Baubles catch the light. Memories of joy shine bright. Love adorns the tree. Christmas baubles glow. Laughter fills hearts again. And love wraps every home. I do hope you enjoyed that, and perhaps you've got some ideas of making a journal of your own. So a little reminder, I will be doing my Wednesday Wandering this Wednesday, Christmas Day at 6 o'clock UK time, where I will be talking about one of my favourite authors, Charles Dickens, and one of the most wonderful characters, Ebenezer Scrooge. I hope you can join me for that one. Bye bye.